Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Ethereum from Crypto.com to Metamask for better control and access to decentralized apps. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and I'll walk you through it step by step right now. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring ETH like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both a Crypto.com account with some Ethereum in it and a Metamask wallet set up on your device. If you don't have Metamask yet, download it from the App Store or Chrome Web Store, it's free and secure. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, head over to your wallet section. Look for your Ethereum balance, it should be easy to spot. Tap on it to open the details. Step 2. Now, initiate a withdrawal. You'll see an option to withdraw or send ETH. Select that, and it might ask you to choose the network. Make sure it's on the Ethereum network, like ERC20, to avoid any issues. In 2025, networks are more integrated, but double-check for compatibility. Step 3. Get your Metamask wallet address ready. Open the Metamask app or extension, unlock your wallet, and copy the address from the main screen. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Paste it carefully into the recipient field on Crypto.com. Step 4. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated gas fees first to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Crypto.com PIN or whatever security method they use these days. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your ETH there. A quick tip. Always double-check addresses to prevent losing your funds, and keep an eye on fees since crypto prices fluctuate wildly in 2025. If you run into any hiccups, Crypto.com's support is usually helpful. There you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Crypto.com to Metamask. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.